Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most essential skills for traders and investors. And what is that? How to confirm an uptrend or downtrend. Whether you are trading stocks, forex, or crypto, knowing how to identify and confirm trade is crucial for making informed decisions. So, with that being said, let's get started. First of all, what is a trend? What exactly is a trend? In trading, a trend is the direction or a general direction in which an asset price is moving. Generally, there are three types of trend. We have uptrend, we have downtrend, and we have sideways trend. Yes. So, like what lots of people usually say, the trend is what? Is your friend. When you know the direction of the market, when you know the trend of the market, you know how to place your trade. Right? Now, from here, you can see that this is an uptrend. From my chart, that's an uptrend. Now, this is also a downtrend. And where is the sideways trend? Right here. This is a sideways trend. So these are the three types of trend we have in the market. But for today's video, we're going to be focusing on two types of trend, the up and the downtrend. Now let's identify an uptrend. How do we identify an uptrend in the markets? Knowing this is very important to help us to make good decision on how to place our trade. Now, sorry about that. Sorry. Okay, now for an uptrend, what you want to do is you want to see the market moving up, like the trend line that I just drew on the chart. You can see that the trend line is pointing or is sloping up, is ascending. In the market, we have what is called higher highs and higher lows. Yes, when the market is trending up, we'll be looking at higher highs and we'll also be looking at what? Higher lows. HH, which stands for higher highs, and HL, which stands for higher lows. Now, when the market is trending up, what you want to be looking at is the highs of the market. For you to identify an uptrend, or for you to confirm that this is an uptrend, you always want to see what? See the highs breaking the previous highs. And you always want to see the higher lows getting higher than the previous lows. As you can see, all the highs are higher than the previous highs, which indicate a what? A higher highs. Now, where is our next higher highs in the market? Who can tell us? Okay, let me give you 2 seconds. Okay, good. Now, most of you will say, okay, this is where our higher highs is. You are very correct. That is our new higher highs and higher lows. Why is that? Because it's higher than the previous ones, and the market just printed a new highs and higher lows also. This is the current price. Yes, using price action, you can identify the higher highs in the market and also the higher lows. This is how you identify an uptrend. This is how you identify an uptrend. Once the high is higher than the previous high, it indicates in an uptrend in the market. And once the low is higher than the previous low, which also indicates a what? Uptrend in the market. Now take note, we are on the GBP USD on the H4 time frame. It's clear and easier to identify a trend on the H4 time frame. Now, if I use my trend line, you can see that my trend line can confidently connect the dots of all the higher lows of the markets, which shows that whenever the price comes to my trend line, it will do what? It will go up. Now, let's go to SAU USD, which is the gold. Let's also identify the trend. Well, for my chart, what can you see? What kind of trend is this? I believe you said this is an uptrend. You are very correct. Yes, this is an uptrend. Why is this an uptrend? Because we see that the market is continuously doing what? Breaking the highs and the lows in the markets. The higher highs keep getting higher than the previous highs, as you can see, and the higher lows do what? Keep getting higher than the previous lows, which indicates a what? A beautiful uptrend in the market. And for quite some time now, the gold has been trending up for quite some time, has been going up. Now here's our next uptrend, next higher highs and higher lows. Do you want me to give you some seconds for you to find out for us? Okay, let's give you some seconds. I believe you said these are our higher highs. Good, yes, that is our latest higher highs and higher lows. Why is it an higher high? Why is it the latest? Because it is higher than the previous one. It breaks the previous highs. That is why it is called the higher highs. And also, as you can see, when I connect my trend line, you see that it's giving us a beautiful uptrend, which indicates what? A highs in the market. Now let's look for a low. Let's identify a low. We've successfully identified an high in the market. What about lows? When looking for a downtrend, you want to see lower lows and lower highs, which means LH and LL, lower lows and lower highs. You always want to see the lows get taken out by the next lows on the markets. You always want to see the highs doing what? Getting lower than the previous highs. That's why it is called lower high. For my chart, you can see that this high is lower than the previous high, and this low is lower than the previous low, which means the lows keep breaking all the current or recent lows in the markets, which indicates what? A lower low or a downtrend. Now in a downtrend, you want to look for the lower lows and the lower highs. If I connect the dot, you'll see that these lows got taken out by the next printed market or price action, which indicates what? A downtrend in the markets. Now this is what you always want to be looking at. You always want to identify where the market is going first before placing your trade. Once the market is going downtrend or is going down or is in a downtrend, you can confidently place a sell trade. Or when the market is in an uptrend with some conditions, you can also place your buy trade. So guys, I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like the video and also share the video so that those out there can benefit from it. Until next time.